How to send high quality videos on Messenger. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily send your high quality videos or using your Messenger application. So first thing first, just make sure you are logged into your account inside your Messenger application, and before you send any messages, just for your concern, make sure you have updated your Messenger application. So let me just make sure it's updated. So in this case my Messenger application is successfully updated, so make sure to fix any bug just like that. And once it's updated, simply head back to your Messenger and click on any of the chat to whom you want to send your high quality video. So to select a high quality video, all you need to do is simply head over to your gallery button over here and select any of your random video, and just make sure this SD button you can see here is turned on. Simply make sure it's turned on. When it's turned on, it is enabled as a blue button. When it's toggled off, it is seen as a gray button. So simply click on it and make sure it's blue, and once you select any of your video just like this and send it, it will be sent as an high quality video. So that is exactly how you can easily send high quality videos on your Messenger application. So your sending will depend upon your internet connection, speed connection. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.